Today we are on the production floor at the craft brewing and distilling facility for SPSCC here in Tumwater.
This is where we do all of our student teaching, all of our commercial brewing for our LLCs. South Puget Sound Community College has been around since the 1950s. We have grown every decade since. When I first began here, we did not have the opportunity of liquid solid separation. When we partnered with Russell Finex, we found that their liquid solid separator allowed us to work with corn very easily. We are putting the milled corn in together with boiling water, using enzymes to extract the starches into sugars, and then our liquid solid separator is taking that corn and pulling it off to the side while remaining all of that good wash moved over to our fermentation vessels for later fermentation and distillation. This will allow us to have a silo put outside, and we can operate within that silo without having to take up floor space. We have an area to produce beer that can bring revenue back into the program.
All of our students get the hands-on experience that they can take into the real world and say that they have used this specialty piece of equipment. I would tell anyone that's going to work with Russell Finex to absolutely do it, to know that they are going to offer all of the support that you need and help you scale your equipment to your long-term goals.